Hi, welcome to my home. I'm Chef Carl, Food Whisperer on YouTube. And today we're going to make a Philly beefsteak surf and turf sandwich, which is a little step up from just beefsteak for two reasons. I'm going to be using filet mignon and I'm going to be using lump crab, two different kinds of cheeses, and also I'm going to use a bernaise sauce on the very top with Parmesan cheese. So if you're on a diet, don't eat more than 3 of these. Alright, we'll be right back.
Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
Hi, we're back now, and what I'm going to do is slice these like 14-inch pieces of bread, which I got at the store. Put that on the side a second. Now this is the cap off a beef tenderloin, and I seasoned it. We're going to cut it about a 1/4 inch thick. Nice and pink, see that? You can also use just Italian beef from the store or off from the deli counter. And just remember, you start with 10 fingers, you want to end up with 10 fingers or 8 fingers and 2 thumbs, or however you want to count it. And I seasoned it just with salt, pepper, and then I had a steak seasoning I bought at Sam's Club. But you season it how you like it. And always let your meat rest, even though it's not tired. Get it? Rest, tired? Lord, I'm sorry if I make you drink. My fault. And I think that's enough beef slice. So I'm going to cut this bread into 4 pieces. But you can cut each piece of bread into 2 pieces, or you can make like one huge sub out of it. First thing I'm going to do is just put a little softened margarine in the roll. Not like there's not going to be enough calories in this. Gonna layer nice pieces of meat. Man, that smells good. So now we got the meat in the rolls. In a regular Philly steak sandwich, they put cheese whiz, not G whiz, but cheese whiz. And the other half of the people will put provolone cheese down on it. this is lump crab meat, and I bought it at Costco, in case Costco is interested in sponsoring me. So this is the surf part, very nice and dry. And if you don't like crab meat, put shrimp or lobster, or leave it off. Now, you can also put grilled onions and peppers, but I know some people don't like grilled onions, some people don't like peppers, so I'm going to put these on at the end, let everybody help themselves. So, now we're about 2/3 of the way through. I made bernaise sauce. This is a powdered mix. You need milk, butter, and then a little the powder from this. And I added tarragon vinegar and tarragon to make a bernaise sauce. So now I'm going to do is I'm going to put the broiler on because it's going to take a couple of minutes for it to heat up. While the broiler is heating up, this is the bernaise sauce. You can put a little bit across the top. This is going to go good with a glass of wine or a cold beer or both. And not but least, top it with a little Parmesan cheese. And you can serve this with like a roasted potato. You can serve it with French fries. You can serve it with a side of fruit. And like I said, this is each sandwich technically probably be enough for two. You can split it. So now, for all practicality, we're 99% done with this beautiful meal, Sammy sandwiches, and we're going to place it underneath the broiler. I had the broiler on for about 8-10 minutes on high, so that all I want to do is brown the cheese and brown the bread a little bit, but I don't want it underneath so long that it's going to make the bread like a rock. So now we're going to be putting this in the oven for about a minute to 2-3 minutes, so I think it's acceptably wonderfully beautiful. There we go. It's on the broiler on high, and this comes out, let it rest, not that it's tired, and then I'm going to cut up one of the, or two of them, and then we're ready. There we go, the bread is browned, and the Parmesan cheese and the bernaise sauce is set, and the other cheese is melted. So we're going to bring it right up here. And we're going to let it rest a couple minutes because look at that. That's a beauty. That's got the cheese whiz on it. This has got the provolone on it. And this has got the gee whiz on it. I know, it's stupid, huh? Going to put a little onion here, just for beauty. A little roasted pepper here. And folks, that's it. So, if you got any ideas of what you want me to see, ideas of what you would like me to make, remember most of the ingredients you can either buy at your local store or you already have in your house. And with that being said, I try to keep it simple and easy. This is Chef Carl saying, don't forget to watch my friend Mike's Everyday Barbecue, BBQ, and chilling and grilling with Mojo. And God bless America. God bless our soldiers. And let's pray this country stands strong. Goodbye till next time. Bye.